Memory card. The card supplied with the Alpine A110 has two distinct purposes. In remote control mode, it is used to lock or unlock the doors, boot and fuel filler flap. The remote lighting function switches on the external lights and the interior lighting for around 30 seconds. This can be used to locate the vehicle when it is parked in a car park. There's a button that just opens the boot too. Hands-free mode is running once the person carrying the card enters the detection area. If you press one of the buttons on the door handles and near to the boot, you can unlock or lock the opening elements. In the event of a malfunction, the driver's door can be opened using the emergency key built into the card. Once seated in the passenger compartment, all you need to do is press the brake pedal and then the start button to start the engine. If the message "Insert card" appears, remove the protective instrument panel cover and insert the card fully in the emergency compartment to authorize starting.